So look at this. I'm building a new Irish pronunciation app to practice. You can click the dialect and it'll show you random words. It'll show you a few example sentences, and then you can hear the native recording and then try your own and then listen back to it. So here's how it would work. You would click play the native speaker recording. Then you would try your own. And then you can listen to them back. Need some work. Then you go on to the next one.
Hokrig. Hokrig.
Perfect. Next. You see? So this is it. So try it out. No, you can't try it out. I need to build it and fix it. Complete it and release it. So maybe you can try it out in a couple of years or something. Bye.